Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the class. I hope you people are safe and good at your home. If it is so, it's very good. Please take care of your health, drink hot water, and eat well healthy food. And think positively and work hard. It's all required. And complete your work, complete your exercise work. And I hope you are following, you are watching the videos regularly. If it is so, it will be very good. And write a rough notebook. Pause the videos, then write down the points. That will be good. And work hard. So in next month it may go. You may get a beginning. Means it may get a restart of schools in the next month. So please be ready with all those things. Complete your exercise and the rough notebook. Then it will be good for you people. Then you can come happily into the. You can attend into the regular classes. So that in the let's come back into the discussion. So in the last class we started to discuss about the third concept. It was the Nazi world wave. There what we discussed about the Nazi, the leader Hitler, he has created his own ideology over there. He wanted to create the world, the Nazi world in the Germany. Is not. He wanted to create a Nazi world in the Germany. So there, for that he has taken many plans and he has taken many actions towards that to create the Nazi world. So how he has started to have the discrimination, how he wanted to create means how by help of with the help of which ideologies and what you call the theory, with the help of which theory and explanation he wanted to create his own ideology of Germany by mainly it's about Charles Darwin and Herbert Spencer. So Charles Darwin and Herbert Spencer, they have explained about the social they explained about the evaluation of plant and animals, is not. And also the Herbert Spencer explained about the desirable life of the animals and the plants. If animal or the plant having ability and having a power to adjust themselves with the nature and the environment, they can live the life. The animal and plant, they don't have ability and the power to live, they will not survive. So that was he has explained, but this all the ideology has taken in the wrong way by Hitler. Then he has created his own ideology of creating the Nazi world in the Germany. That's what happened. For creating a Nazi world, he had his own ideology that the Nazi people are blue-eyed people and having good skin color and colorful ears, colorful hair. So they are like the pure Aryans. So these pure Aryans will be having ability. They are having a strength, and they has to rule. Means they have to be there. They should survive, means they will survive. So other than this Nazi or other than this Nordic German Aryans, the people are not having any power. So that was he has declared. So in order to spread the Nordic German Aryans in the Germany, so he has created many ideologies, he has passed many law. So he wanted to create the racial state. About that we have discussed, is not. The racial states, the Jews and the Russian peoples, they were called as undesirables. Only the Nazi people, they are called as a desirable. The Nordic Aryan means Nordic German Aryans, they were called as a desirables. So then they have taken many changes into there, and they have started to suppress the people of Jews. So they have fled from the place of Germany to the other areas. Then racial utopia, we know. So how he has created the idea, means how he had a notion of creating the racial state in the future. For that he has taken so many changes, is not. They were the people of Jews, they were put into the gas chambers. He has not used any word of the murder or killing, but he has used the gas chamber. So gas chamber, the word which they have used, that actually means rescuing the people. The word which has used rescuing the people, but here he was killing the people. So word was different. What the word which he has given for the Nazi Jews was different, but what the action he was taking, it was different. Word which has given to the Jews, that word was explaining, or that word was illustrating the escape from the problem. He was used the word that escape from the problem. So he has used that method. He has told, by the use of that word, he has told you people has to go there to escape from the problem. So the people, what they thought, so if they get into the gas chamber, we can escape from our problem. That was their idea. So the word and action was different. Then that's what we discussed in the last class. Now we'll get back to the next concept. It's about youth in Nazi Germany. The youth in Nazi Germany. So here, the Hitler felt that strong Nazi society can be established by teaching children Nazi ideology. He believed in the youth. He believed in the youth that the youth can create a Nazi Germany, as means they can create the Nazi Germany. Means what he had the Nazi world wave, means what he had idea of a Nazi to create the Nazism in the full Germany. So there he mainly concentrated on youth. So if he take charge into the youth, or if he train the youth towards creating a Nazi, so it will be successful. So that's the reason he taken a charge into the children. So Hitler felt that Nazi society can be established by teaching children's Nazi ideologies. He started to teach the ideology of a Nazi to the children's. And as we say here in India also, in many ways we say the today's children's are the citizens, tomorrow's citizens of India, is not. ಇಂದಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಮುಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳು. Same years taken the ideology that if we make these children as a Nazi, then in the future it will be full Nazi. Then the coming generations will be filled with the Nazism. They will not be having any other community except Nazi. So that reason he has concentrated on the children's. And what we teach for the children's in the early ages, that will be remained as a stronger for their daily throughout the life, is not. Whatever the impact we make on the children, it will be remain for longer time in their life. Same impact he wanted to make on the children's. So he has started to create the ideologies of Nazi in the mind of a children. So there the some people were Jews and some people were Nazis. Earlier they were not divided in such a group of Nazi and Jews. They were not there earlier. But now, as the Hitler has divided the community and the people into as a different community like a Nazi and Jews, here after creating the ideology of Nazi for creating the racial state, he made a division in the children's. The children of a Nazi were allowed to sit in a good well equipped classroom, but the other people called as Jews, they were not allowed to sit. They were thrown away. And some peoples of a second class, means second hierarchy, they were allowed, but in the different classroom, in the different area. The school were cleansed and pure, means teachers who were Jews were dismissed. Here the schools were cleansed. They were made some modifications over there, as like I told now. So the children were divided, segmented as a Jews, and other people they are thrown away. Then there were the teachers from the Jews community, from the community. There were some teachers, good teachers from the Jews community. They were considered as like they were considered as undesirable politics. Means politically they were considered as undesirables. In the Western world, they will respect a teacher a lot. More than anything, they respect a teacher. You know, in any function, in any program, the first row of a seat will be reserved by giving heading VVIP. VVIP, very very important person. The first row of the chairs will be reserved. Now also it's continuing. In the Western world, they will reserve the first row of a chair by mentioning as a VVIP. So there the only teachers sit. That it's only reserved for the teachers of that area. So they have that kind of respect in the other countries. Same it's evolved, so it was continued from the many years back. So here also, when the when Hitler was ruling the dictatorship there, even he was a dictator, he was having some respect towards the teachers, because teachers here the figures are, they are the creator of a future, is not? They are the creator of any of services or any of the things. The future is, they are the creator of a future of a people and the society. So that's the reason they were having their own respect. Means they are now also they have a respect. So that's the reason they were not considered as desirables and they were not thrown away. They were considered with a different term as politically undesirables. They are considered politically undesirable, not socially, and they are dismissed and they are removed from the job. The Jews, the teachers from the Jews community. Then undesirable children like Jews, physically handicapped, and gypsies were thrown out of schools, and finally in 1940 they were taken to gas chamber. So earlier we have started to discuss about gas chamber here. So it was continued from there before the 1938. Here, so these children's, they were and the handicapped, physically handicapped Jewish children and gypsies. These gypsies, like they are tribal people, and the people who are having the black skin color, they were called as gypsies. Poor background people. So these gypsies and physically handicapped people and Jews, they were considered as undesirables and they were thrown out of the schools, in every level of schools in the 1940. Then they were started to put Jews and gypsies and other people into the gas chamber. As I discussed earlier, gas chamber, it looks like a house, and also the gas chamber was prepared in a many way. In the house it was constructed like a house, and some gas chamber was put in the bogies of a train. In the rail they were created a gas chamber in the bogies. So there what they did, they were created such like a shower. It was looking like a shower having with some taps and the other things. When the Jews and gypsies, other handicaps, when they enter into there, they were thinking it's like a bathing room, the mass bathing room. They were thinking like, and they had their idea that if you take a bath over here, all the problems will be cleared. And before entering into the gas chamber, they were needed to remove all their clothes, and they were needed to put in one area. They were needed to remove all the clothes. So they were entered, means they were allowed to enter into the gas chamber forcefully. Some of them forcefully entered into the gas chamber. There, after closing the gate, they used to, means the Nazi, they used to turn on the harmful gases inside their gas chamber. So because of harmful gases, gradually they were started to lose their life. Means within 1 hour, 2 hours, all the people who are inside in the gas chamber, they will be dying. So that was idea and the punishment which they are given, and also that's one idea which is created by this Hitler to kill the people of Nazi and undesirable community. So he has not used a word of killing or murder, but he has did this kind of work. And racial science was introduced to justify Nazi idea of race in the school. Children were taught to hate Jews and worship Hitler. So the different science, what we are following, it's about the science of a fact. We have a fact science. Actually, what is the real science we are studying is not there. So when the dictatorship has started, when they started to have a Nazism in the Germany, the science textbook was changed. The concept which they were teaching in the science was also modified according to the Nazi ideologies. Even the science textbook also saying about the good things about a Nazism, Nazi ideology. So such like they have created, and they have created a stereotype in the children. Whatever the ideas and whatever the impact we make on the children, it will become stronger for their future. It will become stronger. It will stay stronger for until their death. Is not. It will become very stronger. So that reason they have started to inculcate the stereotype towards Jews in the children's. So children of the Nazi, they have started to feel that Jews are not good. So that reason they started to hate the Jews. And that in the schools they were teaching to worship Hitler. Then children, they were worshipping Hitler as a god. They were worshipping Hitler. So Hitler himself, he has made them to worship Hitler. Then the 10-year-old had to enter the Jungwok, and at 14 years to the age, all boys had to join the Nazi youth organization. After training, they had to join the labor science and then to serve in the armed forces. Here, he has created one the stepwise organization where from the 0 to 10 to 14 years means from the 5 to 10 years, then 5 to 10 years age people means children, 5 to 10 years age children, they have to join the Jungwok. Jungwok is organization. It's an organization. Jungwok is an organization. They have to join. Means they have to join. Everybody has to join. From the age of 5 to 10, they have to join the Jungwok, and they will be teach some different things as like which is favorable for the Nazism and which is create the ideology of Hitler. So it was taught in the Jungwok. Then after passing the first level, they were allowed to go for the second level. From the 10 to 15 years, the children has to join the Nazi youth organization. Nazi youth organization, they have to join over there. There will be different. There will be taught different things about the Nazi, about only good things about a Nazi. Then afterwards, after the 14 years, the people has to join as a labor sense. Then afterwards, they have to join into the army. They have to join into the army of Germany. Then that army will be used by the Hitler to get acquire of other territories by having a war. So that was ideas which is created by this fellow. So then it's about the children's. It's about the children's which has taken the some rules and regulations and also some ideas and the actions which is taken on the children's. But there are so many changes also taken on the male and female. So in the cult of mother, the Nazi cult of mother, Nazi cult of motherhood. Your children were told that women were different from men and hence the fight for equal right was wrong and would destroy society. Same here in the schools, the teachers of a Nazis, they were forced to teach the children that the women are not stronger than the men, and fighting to get our rights with equality means as the men has, it's a wrong. So wrongly they were made to teach. The teachers, they were teaching wrongly. It was forced to by the Nazis. So that was happened at the time. So they have inculcated the things on the children that women are not strong. They are not. If the woman is a girl, if when she become woman, suppose she make a conduct a fight against of getting means in getting the rights, it will be wrong. So it's created from the beginning. In the initially, it has created the mindset of people at that time. Boys were taught to be aggressive. Means here the male and female. Boys were taught. The male were taught to be aggressive, then be like a very energetic and aggressive and like to treat in the wrong way. The aggressive, masculine and the steel-hearted, while girls were told to become a good mother and rear pure-blooded Aryan children. So here, in order to create the Nazi cult of motherhood, what they have did, so they have started to teach different things, means in a wrong way to the children. The boys and the girls, for the both, they have started to teach in a different way. What is that? The boys are having stronger, they are very stronger, and girls, they are not having much strength and they should not fight for getting their equality. Then what they have told, the male, they should be aggressive. they should be masculine, they should be very strength, they should have a strength in their body, and they should be steel hearted, they should not get much emotion in their heart, they should not have emotion on any other thing except the nation of Germany. They should very aggressive, and the girl, they should become a good mother, means they should look after their home, means look after their family over there. They should treat their husband and father well, and they should rear means they should produce only Nordic German Aryans, pure Nordic German Aryans. So they have made forcefully. In 1933, women who bore undesirable children were punished, and those who bore desirable one were awarded and given other facilities. In 1933, the woman who reared the pure Nordic German Aryans, the pure Nazi, so they were awarded. If the woman, suppose she is not born the Nazi or pure Nordic German Aryans, she was punished. She was punished and she was threatened and she was put into the death. Suppose if she is not reared the Nordic German Aryan. In among the woman's mother, which she was rearing the Nordic German Aryans, there also had a competition. If they over the 8 children, they will be having more award. So 5 children, they will be having more, somewhat less than that, and 1 they will be having award, 2 some more double, 3 if they bore 3 Nordic German armors, they will be having more, and if they were more than 8, they will be given with the land and the house and the property. So that was awarded, was given on that time. So all Aryan women who deviated from the code of conduct were condemned and punished. All Aryan women who were not produced the Nordic German Aryan children, they were condemned and they were neglected and they were put into the punishment. Even though they are Nazi, the mother, even though she is belong to the Nazi, but suppose she has not bore the children of having blue eyed and different color hair color and different skin color, they were threatened and they were put under the punishment. It was a condition. And also the women's, they were had restrictions. They were not allowed to have a conversation with other community people except Nazi. They were not allowed to look into the other people. Means they were not allowed to look into the Jews. They should talk only with the Nazi. They had restrictions under this Nazi rule. So then he has created his own propaganda, art of propaganda, is that Nazi never used the word kill and the murder. As I told you, it's a propaganda. So they have created propaganda. Instead of using a kill and murder, they used another word. So here in the official communication, mass killing were termed special treatment, final solution. It was termed, rather than using the word killing and murder, they were using the special treatment and final solution. They were using the word special treatment and final solution. So for Jews and euthanasia, so that is called as for the desirables. So it's only for the Jews community, the special treatment and final solution. But euthanasia, it's for the desirables, other second level group of people. Selection and disinfections. It's all the terms they have used, like special treatment and final solutions, euthanasia, selection and disinfection. It's all the term they have used instead of the term using kill and murder. Then evacuation means deporting people to gas chamber. Evacuation, the word evacuation, that means actually rescuing the people, protecting the people from the harmfulness. It's evacuation. Evacuation ಅಂದರೆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಹಾರ್ಮ್ಫುಲ್ನೆಸ್ ಇಂದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಂದ ಕಾಪಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ಇವಾಕ್ಯುವೇಷನ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಮೇಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಇವಾಕ್ಯುವೇಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಪೋರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಟು ದ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಚೇಂಬರ್. ಇವಾಕ್ಯುವೇಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಪಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಸಾವಿನ ದವಡೆಗೆ ತಳ್ಳುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ Jews and other undesirables. It was evacuation in a correct way. They were understanding in the correct way, evacuation, as the word says. But the treatment was in the different. That was they have used. Then Nazi ideology began to spread everywhere through various means. The people believed that the Nazism would bring prosperity. The people believed that Nazism bring prosperity, but many other were opposed Nazism and braving police representation and death. So here there were two group of people. One group of people they were supporting Nazism. Another group of people they were not supporting, means they were non-Nazi people, means they were against of a Nazi organization and Nazi activity. So the supporter of a Nazi, they were thinking that Nazi, it will create a prosperity for them, it will create a good future for them, and what the Nazi is doing is good for them, and what the Nazi says and what the Nazi implemented the ideology is all the good for them. So they are thought like that in the one group of people who are supporting for the Nazi. The people who are not supporting the Nazi, they were not accepting the ideology which is created by the Nazi, and also they were making somewhat, they were opposing, and they were somewhat bravery policies. They were having bravery, means they were ready to even die after what you call attacking and also after opposing the Nazi. So that was group of people. Here the supporter of a Nazi is created, the ideology of a good Nazi is created from the childhood. So that reason they were supporting. Here the Jews and other undesirable peoples, they were not filled with a wrong concept of a Nazism. So they were knowing the reality. So they were non-supporting for the Nazi. So there was a two group of people. Then it's our next concept. It's actually about the common people. Then it's about the everyday life of a common people. The last concept. So I have not mentioned the ending of last concept. So in under this last concept, the people were started to live according to the ideology of a Nazi. I am discussing about last concept, not about this Holocaust. So I am discussing about last concept here, that the people they were started to follow the ideology of a Nazi because they have addicted to that and they have thought it's a correct and it's a way of life. And the people of the Jews also thought, after so many generations, the Jews they thought it is their way of life and we have to be under the Nazi. So they thought like that. They didn't try to get a freedom against of them because they were suppressed. All the way of these Jews and other people were closed. It was huddled. So they have made adults for their walk in towards the freedom. So that reason they thought being this life, leading this life, being like this, it's a good and it's a way of life. So they were leading their life in the same way. In other side, Nazi, they thought, and also from the childhood they have been taughting about the good ideology of a Nazi. So they thought, so Nazis are having the good, pure, the Nordic, German, Aryans we are, and we are having ability to live and we are having more strength than the Jews. So that reason, so they were leading their life and they thought that it's the same thing and they thought it's a correct path which they are going. And the same, the gas chamber somewhat is reduced, but the suppression and the domination on the Jews, it's continued. The domination and the problem and the killing of the Jews is continued. The Jews, they were continued their problem. They have started to live under their problem. Means they have adjust their life into this kind of a life. So then the next concept in the last concept is about the knowledge about the Holocaust. Knowledge about Holocaust. So what is this Holocaust? Holocaust ಅಂತಂದ್ರೇನು? Holocaust is nothing but record. Holocaust is nothing but record. It's a record book. Record. Holocaust is record book. So after the war ended, Nazi practices trickled out German, which was defeated, and world came to know about horror suffered by Jews and other undesirables. After the war lost by the Germany in Second World War 1945, after 1945, world started to get to know the thing which was there, the horrible treatment of the Jews in the Germany. World started to get to know because the record which they were maintaining was started to distribute the fact which was happening in the Germany. So because of that, the whole world started to get information about the Nazi treatment. Jews wanted the world to remember the suffering they had endured during Nazi killing operation, also called Holocaust. Holocaust is a book record which is recorded by the Jews. They wanted to know, means they wanted to spread, means they wanted to know all the peoples, all the worlds to know. They wanted all the world people to know about the situation and the life which they have lived under this Nazi. So that's a book, or that the record is called as Holocaust. When the war seemed lost, the Nazi leadership distributed petrol to its functionaries to destroy all incriminating evidence available in the office. When the when the war lost in the Second World War, and after the losing of the Second World War, defeating the Second World War, Nazi started to get its decline in the power. Then they have started to put a fire into the Holocaust, the record which they have made. So they have started to put a fire into that. So that was happened, the Holocaust. Now also because of this Holocaust, we are getting information of Jews. We got information about Jews and the Nazi and about the Hitler because of this Holocaust. So that's about record. So this is about completion of our third chapter in the 9th class. By this, we completed our portion. So we will start revision from the next class. I hope you understood about this concept, what we discussed, and about the chapter. Make use of a textbook. If you don't get understand, or suppose if you are having a doubt, you are free to ask. And if you get a time, visit to the school and get clear your doubts in particular teachers regarding to their subjects. I hope you understood. Complete your exercise and complete your notes. Thank you. Have a nice day.